As far as I've seen, usually Bitcoin has its bull run during the month of April. Of course, there were some unprecedented events that took place, which could explain why the price has been pumping in the recent past. It's really wonderful to see Bitcoin um, touch touch the below areas of $50,000 a piece, and it just shuts down so many haters, so many people. It's still very ironic to see governments not adopting cryptocurrency. That includes Nigeria now, which is really sad because the Nigerian crypto community is really massive, really active, and they have been, they deserve getting or being allowed to trade with crypto and so on. I would be happy just to see a sort of statement from the government, similar to what India did or similar to what Pakistan did, where the government clearly stated that it's not illegal. However, they won't be given any sort of regulation. They won't be aided in any way by the government, nor will the banks facilitate any of the transactions. But still, individual people are allowed to hold cryptocurrency and trade cryptocurrency according to their will. But I don't know if that's what Nigeria is going to do or if they have done that, which is really the best case scenario to come out of this. It also shuts down so many Bitcoin haters, the ones that, for example, the biggest example will be Bitcoin is dead.com, hashtag Bitcoin is dead, and whatsoever, the people rallying against Bitcoin and talking against Bitcoin. And it is really interesting to see Fortune 500 companies starting to look at Bitcoin with a very serious eye, especially after Elon Musk rather openly bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. It was really hilarious to see the constant doggy shilling and well, that was kind of weird, but still, it was really interesting to see, or hilarious rather, to see the constant doggy shilling by Elon Musk, and then all of a sudden he buys into Bitcoin. It's really hard to put a finger on where Elon stands with doggy. There are speculations he owns it, there are speculations he's just doing it for the memes whatsoever, but that's entirely a different topic, right? A topic where we could discuss how Elon has managed to conquer the market right now by, catering to the current generation. That's a completely different topic. But it's really interesting to see all these companies starting to adopt the inevitable cryptocurrency. We are seeing countries adopting different cryptocurrency projects, blockchain projects. For example, Ukraine adopted Ripple to start its own national digital currency, and then you have companies like Uber and PayPal who have either shown interest or completely adopted them, and now Tesla is going to do the same. They are going to accept payments in Bitcoin. There is Airbnb. In countries like Ukraine, there is a lot of places you could directly transact with cryptocurrency, but it's usually with Bitcoin or Ethereum, which is not very cool actually. And I think this is the first step. It is really important for bigger companies paving the path for Fortune 500 and the smaller investors or bigger investors, whoever it is, to start looking at cryptocurrency a bit more seriously. I'm still expecting this bull run to continue until the end of February. We might see the end of the alt market bull run at the end of February, and then maybe Bitcoin will take back its course in April, which it March or April, which it usually does, and we might then see another run by Ethereum followed by altcoin again. So it will be very interesting to see as the dynamic is changing. Things are very different since let's say 2 years. They are very different. We have big names involved with cryptocurrency, we have big companies involved with cryptocurrency, and it's just a matter of time. Hodl.